Hello guys! So try natin sagutan itong ating CSE review for today. What is the area of the circle with a radius of 6 cm? So our review for today is all about finding the area of a circle given its radius. So in order to do that, or in order to solve this problem, we have a formula for this, okay? So ano nga ba yung formula in finding the area of a circle? So area of a circle is equals to pi r square. So ano tong pi? Ang pi po natin is a constant. So meron tong value na approximately equal to 3.14. Okay, tatandaan niyo po yan. Yung ating pi is approximately 3.14. And itong ating r, which is the radius. And sinabi sa ating problem, it is 6 cm. So now, we plug in yung ating value. So we have pi na 3.14. And then yung ating radius na 6 cm. And then sa ating formula, naka-square siya. Okay? So using PEMDAS, so we prioritize this exponent. So unahin natin tong 6 cm na naka-square. So copy muna natin yung 3.14. And then, we have 6 square, which is equals to 36. And then yung centimeter, magiging square din siya. Dahil unit naman siya. So, mapupunta lang sa kanya yung ating exponent na 2. And then now, simplifying this, we multiply 3.14 by 36. That is equal to 113.04. And then, we copy yung ating unit na centimeter square kasi wala namang unit yung 3.14. So, this is centimeter square. So, this is our answer for this problem, which is letter D tayo. 113.04 square centimeter or centimeter square. Parehas lang po yun. So, for our next question, kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box and let's see if naintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. And that's it for our review for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.